Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very nice refreshment beverage, okay? I have a really nice blender right here, which we're gonna use in a minute. For our beverage, we will use coconut water and pineapple juice, okay? To give the refreshment a little twist, we're gonna put some sweet basil in it, okay? It's gonna give a nice green color. And now it's like today, it's such a hot day, so this will be perfect for me to cool down and refresh myself, you know? Because coconut water has a cooling benefit. Also, it's very, very healthy. It's one of the healthiest beverages you can drink. I need around 300 milliliters of coconut water. I have a little scale here, which is really, really good. Because if you make too much, then it might don't fit in your glass, and you don't want to waste anything, right? Okay, 300 is around this. That's great. Everything in it. And now around 50 milliliters of pineapple juice. Not too much, because otherwise you have too much sugar load inside your beverage, and obviously you don't want that. I'm gonna put all the sweet basil inside, and around 2 to 3 cubes of ice. You know, it should be a little bit cool, but don't overdo it with the ice, okay? Great. So, let's blend this. Yeah, that's it. Great. So, smells fantastic, especially the basil comes out now, you know. So, you see it's really nice mixed. I'm gonna pour it really, really carefully into my glass. So don't want to have too much foam, but all liquid. And see, here we go. Very nice. Now, maybe we're gonna put some garnish on the side. I have here prepared a little bit of a watermelon heart and a little trimmed pineapple. Here we go. And here it is, our very own signature beverage, our Kamalaya Detox Juice. Please enjoy.